Hello, welcome back everyone to my video. Today Nifty opened gap up. This was the support zone and Nifty opened gap up. Then I thought Nifty is making M pattern here. So before the breakdown like this, I have hidden all the trend lines and everything because this is too much of mess. Anyways, so morning Nifty was making a M pattern. So I thought it will break down because Nifty is in a downtrend. So I checked the losers and losers were very less. It was one or two. So I checked it was Tata Consumer. In Tata Consumer, there was a triangle pattern forming near 50 MA. Also, it was retraced 0.5%. We can check on fib level from opening to the lower. This is the level 0.5 and it started making lower low, so I shorted it. Okay, so I shorted it here below this candle, and this is what happened. My SL got triggered. So I think what my mistake was, Nifty did not break out of this triangle. Okay, but before that I traded, right? So if I could have waited like Nifty to break, like it didn't break, it went up to another resistance. But if we see here like this trend line, okay, so Nifty, what happened, Nifty made a head and shoulder pattern, and then it broke here. As you can see, it broke on 10:37, and if you see here, almost same time frame, 10:33. So this could have been a good trade, as you can see. So after this trade, I took trade in Nifty, which I was telling, this head and shoulder pattern. So once it broke, first I'll tell you where is the resistance. Yesterday I drew this. Let me go on 15. Yeah. Yesterday I drew this resistance line. So this was the resistance. This trend line was the resistance. Also the 50 MA was the resistance. Also the horizontal resistance. So it was a confluence resistance area. So what I, and also head and shoulder pattern was also forming near that area. So what I did, after this breakdown, I shorted, and my initial target was this resistance area. So I shorted, then it hit my target. So I thought, let's see if it goes and covers the gap. So I waited. So it went up from there, almost near my entry price. So again it made a M pattern and broke. Again, if you can see, it made a, let me remove all the trend lines so you can see it properly. Okay, if it is clear, now you can see Nifty made a head and shoulder pattern, big head and shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder, head and shoulder, and it broke that level. Again, this resistance which became support here, it broke that level. So it went down. So again I waited. It did not hit my. I I did not kept my target till here. I kept my target till here. Today's low. So it missed my target by some points here. Then again it went up and went down. So this was my Nifty trade, which was very rewarding. Good. It was like 1:2.5. So it was a good trade. Okay. And now Nifty, after my trade, Nifty went down, filled the gap. Now again it is near the support area. So if we'll remove all the trend lines which I drew, okay, I'll keep this one. We can see on 1 hour. this is the support area. Next support is this 16,500. So this is the next support. So what can happen tomorrow? Will, if we see, this is the resistance line, trend line. So now Nifty is making near the support area. So what we'll see on 15 minutes. Okay, now Nifty is again near the support area. So I think it needs to retrace a bit to go down again. So I think it will come near this area again, 16,700 to 800, and then it will go down. So I feel tomorrow it can happen. So now the market is closed. So we'll see tomorrow what happens, and I'll update if I take a trade tomorrow. So thank you for watching my video.